Welcome to Furniture Nation. Today I'd like to show you a few pieces we do from the Rustic collection. All units are all solid construction and they feature what we call a gate style hinge to it. Now all the solid pine throughout, as like all our other ranges, consisting of 18mm thick sides with a 21mm front frame, and the doors are all solid pine with a tongue and groove effect, and they're all 18mm thick. The drawers, as with the sides, are 18mm thick with a 9mm tongue and groove base in there. Base cabinets, again, tongue and groove back, solid base, an adjustable shelf in each unit, which is adjustable by some little metal pins in there. Now this one is our standard larder. It's a 500 larder, and we do these in 300, 400, 5 and 600, and every larder, again, fully assembled, and has two adjustable shelves in the top section and one adjustable shelf in the base. Now all units, as standard, have a service void at the back, which we leave 70mm. That can be adjusted if needed, so we can make it without the void or a deeper void if you require. Thank you for watching.